Hello learners, last video we will create a view holder for our different object type like animal view holder, house view holder for our house, person, view holder for person object, and card view holder for our car view holder for our car object. So for that, now in this video we will create a adapter for our RecyclerView where we will use this all view holders. Okay, for that, first of all, create a new package, and package name should be adapter, and here you will give the create a new class. The class name is object adapter. Okay, and class object adapter, uh, here you will pass the list contest activity contest or application contest, or you will need to pass the list of objects, list any is a special kind of data type in Kotlin, which means it can be hold any reference view adapter, and here view holder. Okay, now override the some method of RecyclerView adapter, and here you implement method. These are the mandatory ones which you need to override to create a adapter. For that, this is for how many items in our adapter, and it should be return list dot size, how many number of list, and based on the list item, how many items in a list, that should be a count for our RecyclerView adapter. And here you will need to inflate our view holder layout, so that okay, and another one is item get item ID by position. Okay, so this is a new method, and we will need to use this method to work with to display multiple things in our UI. Okay, for that, like how you can do that, let's learn. So I need to create a new function, get ID, get item ID based on object type. So far here you will pass a object of any type. Okay, and you will pass the item position of your item, any int. Okay, and here you need to pass position, and here you will get the object value object is equal to list dot value object list value selected item position list dot position, and now we will check what is the and return position int or long. So we will use when case here, and position the place of position selected item, and we will check if selected item as car, then you need to return 1, or else if it is not matched, then you need to return 2. Okay, and if the selected item as house, then return 2. Selected item as person, 3. If the else means animal, then return 4. Okay, so here you will call this method get item based on object type is position, and now based on the view type, whatever item type is return, or whatever type is return, get item view type. At the place of this, we need to use this method so that we can get the type based on our get item based on our object type position. Okay, and change this return type to int. Okay, now whatever item type is returned from this, it will pass here internally. So based on our selection, we need to pass or return our desired or required view holder. Get view holder based on item type. Okay, for that type or view type int. For that, like return when view type. So for that, let's say 1, then and here and item, you need to okay view item is 1 means car, then context view holder, then layout view value view is equal to layout inflator from context inflate dot layout and dot item car view group is parent view group parent, and here you need to initialize car view holder view. Okay, and you need to copy this 3 times 1 2 3 and change the 2 here, like 2 is for our house, so house item house, and at the place of car change house view holder, and now change this to item car item house item car. Third one is our person item person, and change this to person view holder 3, and else animal. The fourth one is our animal one item animal, and change this to item animal view holder. Okay, now use this method. Based on the view type, it will return get view holder based on item type view type. Okay, and parent. Okay, now whatever view holder is returned from this method, it is used here. So based on the view holder type and position at a particular that position of the item, we need to call on bind method of every view holder. For that you need to write another function, bind data, okay, and bind data with view holders, okay, and here you need to pass holder, view holder, okay, as well as object, selected object, selected item or item is any, view holder is okay, and for that you need to check when it holder as car view holder, then holder dot on bind item as car, and copy this 3 times, 1 2 3, and at the place of this you need to holder as animal, and should be as animal, holder as car, holder as house for view holder, and item as house, and here view holder as a person view holder, and item as person, okay. So for that, first of all, get a selected item, select item at position, then so view holder list, get item based on a position, and to set item call bind, and here you will pass folder object and item position. Now it's set. Now in the next video we will attach use this adapter and create a list for a different object, and use that list in RecyclerView and check how it will behave and work. In the next video we will also need add some images for a person profile, okay, So stay tuned. Thank you very much.